Welcome to the Lyster Army Health Clinic here at Fort Rucker. Whether you and your family are just arriving to your new assignment here in the South or are coming home from local civilian care, you are valued patients in our patient-centered medical home primary care clinic. At Lyster, we are especially proud to serve the men and women engaged in Army Aviation and the Army Aviation Center of Excellence. We understand the vital work you do for our nation, which is why our dedicated medical professionals strive daily to fulfill the center's mission.
This facility, I think, puts a focus on safety, access to care, and putting the right person in the right job. So I think those three things combined really improves the patient experience and quality of care.
Our patient safety on the pharmacy side is medication safety, making sure that they know what their right dose is, that they know who to call if they have questions or any concerns.
And then we want to provide safe care too. So safe care is making sure that we're doing the right thing for the right patient at the right time. And we have a lot of different mechanisms in place to make sure that that happens.
We try to treat every patient holistically, and you really can't do that without teamwork. All clinics, both interdisciplinary and outside their disciplinary, communicate, refer, and consult to ensure the patients get all their needs met.
And that starts with the patient, but also the nurses, the doctors, the support staff, the administrators, and all of us combine to provide that whole approach to the patient to provide the best care possible.
I think the fact that you can know the other providers here enables us to have a more team approach for patient care and benefit the patient tremendously in continuity of care and completeness in care.
The quality care that I've received here so far has actually been world-class, to be honest. The doctors here are very thorough. They actually involve you in your care and actually ask you what's going on with you and what works best for you.
Nutrition care is in the Life Space Center here at Lyster. The Life Space Center is the first of its kind at an MTF, and basically it is where we're catching the patient on their way out. The patient's only at the doctor for a very small period of their life. The rest of their life they're living out in the community, in their home, where they're worried about nutrition and things like that. So we're catching them here where we can show them how to eat healthy. We can do cooking demonstrations here in our kitchen so that we're helping them eat healthier, learn how to cook at home, to try to prevent them from having to come to the doctor so much and be healthier in a preventative way.
When an individual comes to Lyster or even the Army Wellness Center, I know that they're gonna have that quality care that they need. It's gonna be safe, it's gonna be effective, and it's gonna be part of their patient-centered medical home.
One of the interesting things that we get to offer here at Lyster in the Behavioral Health Department is AlphaStem, and it's a clinically proven treatment to assist with symptoms such as depression, anxiety, and it can even assist with sleep. And it utilizes electromagnetic waves to assist with those symptoms. And the nice thing about it is we have a lot of aviators that we treat here at Lyster. They're able to utilize the AlphaStem treatment without getting a downslip for flying.
People are extremely friendly here at Lyster, and that's actually a welcoming feeling when you come in. As soon as you walk in the door here, you have the people at the front desk greeting you as soon as you walk in here.
The Lyster Army Health Clinic is a key member of the Army's Regional Health Command Atlantic. That means no matter where you may be stationed in the future, anywhere in the region east of the Mississippi River, you can expect a continuation of excellence in preventative medicine and quality care for you and your family.
On a day-to-day basis, our nurses and doctors go above and beyond to take care of the patient.
Because at the Lyster Army Health Clinic, we want you to feel good about your health care.